So first off, I'm just taking some Pallete base. This one is in the shade 2 and I'm just applying this all over my eyelids. Then I'm just setting it with a little bit of a translucent powder just so that it doesn't budge. Today we're using the Cooltrals palette from Cosmic Beauty. We're taking the shade Hidden and we're going to place this in the inner and the outer corner of our eyes. We are doing a halo eye effect, so this is how we are going to start this off. I'm then just taking the shades Moonlight, which is a silver sparkle, and Reveal, which is a kind of holographic, kind of dual chrome white shade. And we're just going to place this down the centre. I'm just using my fingers to do this. Then I'm just blending it all out in a kind of circular motion. Then I'm just going back and forth and building up that blue shade again. Then I'm just taking a black liner and I'm just doing under my lash line, and we're also doing along the tight line as well here. Just taking the shade Magnetic, which is a dark blue, but once you actually apply it, it goes kind of purpley. Like, I don't know what kind of magic that is, but it was looking kind of purple here, and it did begin to look kind of purple towards the end of the night as well. So I was like, that's strange, because that shade is actually like a dark blue when it's in the pan. But anyway, just going in with a little bit of mascara as well. Now I'm just taking the Fine foundation in the shade 11 and I'm just applying this with the Fine foundation brush. This foundation is absolutely fantastic, guys. It is my absolute go-to at the moment. I love it. If you haven't tried it, you need to. Then I'm just taking some of the Gimme Contour Wand by Doll Beauty, and this one is in the shade Light, and we're just going to bronze up that face a little bit. And just to kind of set all that, we're going in with a little bit of translucent powder, and I'm also taking some Hoola bronzer as well to set that bronzer. Just going in with our powder products on top of our cream products. Now I'm just taking my Lily White Cosmetics blusher in the shade Peachy Dreams, and we're just going to take a little touch of this. Absolutely love this blusher, such a bargain, honestly. This girl is phenomenal. If you haven't tried any of our products, you really need to. Then I'm just taking Praline lip liner and we are just applying some of that. Then I'm just going in with a Revolution lipstick. I think this one is Game of Mystery. And to top that off, we're just going in with the Revolution Pout Bomb in the shade Candy. This is my favourite lip combo. And that is this look. I hope you guys love. Stay tuned for more.